Techno update. Subscribe now.
Sony Xperia XZ Premium Review. Design and build. The XZ Premium is a bigger version of the XZ with improved specs. Like other Sony smartphones, the XZ Premium boasts a similar loop surface design which aims to mimic a seamless tube of glass. It's not quite as seamless as Sony would have you believe. There's still a small seam between the display and the body, and between the sides and top of the device, but it's not big enough to be noticeable most of the time. The main thing is the very rounded sides that feel comfortable in the palm of our hand, an important factor when discussing a 5.5-inch smartphone. We're also big fans of the beveled metal top and bottom, which further adds to the premium look of the smartphone. Display. One of the main features the XZ Premium borrows from the Z5 Premium is the large 5.5-inch screen with a 4K resolution. That means the device is bigger than the standard XZ, but is a worthy trade in our opinion. The 4K display is gorgeous, it's bright, vibrant, thanks to Sony's ultra-luminous technology, and has an eye-melting pixel density of 807p, providing incredible detail unmatched by most other high-end smartphones, and that's not all either. Battery life and connectivity. Despite rumors of Qualcomm's latest chip being reserved for the Samsung Galaxy S8, Sony has put it inside the Xperia XZ Premium alongside 4GB of RAM and an Adreno 540 GPU. The Snapdragon 835 uses a 10nm process and offers better performance and battery life when compared to the previous generation, and it provides a noticeable difference. The built-in battery estimates suggest the non-removable 3230 mAh battery should last around 2-3 days on a single charge, and while that wasn't the case, it can quite easily break the 24-hour barrier. Cameras and photography. It's the camera that Sony is really pushing here, aside from the gorgeous 4K HDR screen. The resolution has dropped to 19MP, but the firm has some interesting innovations here in what it calls the motion eye camera that generally produces incredibly detailed images and videos, although it does have its strengths and weaknesses. The front camera remains at 13MP with an f/2 aperture and 22mm wide-angle lens for great selfie shots and video calls. Images taken are crisp, clear and surprisingly detailed for a front-facing camera. Software. The Sony Xperia XZ Premium ships with Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Although it's not a vanilla implementation, it features Sony's own UI, something featured on a fraction of Android smartphones compared to those that launched a few years ago. However, unlike many of the other Android UIs, we're a fan of the tweaks and features that Sony has brought to the OS.